Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Counter-Strike 2 fatal error, fail to connect with the local Steam client. So first click on the Counter-Strike 2, then click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, and now here just go to the install files. Now click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your encrypted files. Then just launch the game, then see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Now here you will see your game launcher, so right click on your game launcher, then go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of the compatibility mode and choose at the Windows 8. Now also check this box of the run the program as an administrator, then apply these changes, then click on the OK. Then simply close it and launch the game and your problem will be fixed definitely. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then click on the Steam you are seeing on the top, then go to your Steam settings. Now here just click on the downloads and you will see the option of clear cache. Just click on that, click on the confirm. Then you have to launch your Steam again, then launch your game, then see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows setup and the network reset. And guys, this setting will appear on the top, so just open up these settings. And now click on the option of reset now, then your PC will restart after 5 minutes. And then open up the Steam and launch the game, and hope your problem will be fixed after this solution. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is the only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.